Hi guys! Today's video is about creating another beach tray. This tray is number 2. I really love the tray that I created previously, so I thought of doing another one. This time I'm using some green shades. So if you want to look at the previous video, click the link on the corner and watch my previous beach tray. So here I'm using resin mixed with Baja blue and Sunbright yellow to create this translucent green color. I'm spreading a thin layer of resin because I don't want the resin to be thick, and I don't mind seeing a bit of the bamboo tray through the resin. If you're enjoying my videos, hit subscribe and the notification button for more art videos. Here I'm adding some pigment color mixed with resin. This is just a green mica powder. I just love the shimmer these mica powder pigments give. And did you know that mica powder is also used on eyeshadow? So next time I'm going to use some of my eyeshadow to create a resin art to see if it's going to give me a similar result. So here I'm using the heat gun to remove bubbles in the resin and also to blend the colors together. So really the fun part of art is you get to experiment with your colors. Here I'm using my fingers to blend the colors a bit more. Okay, I'm now ready to add the white resin, the white paint to create the forms or the waves. If you saw my first video, you know how I mixed white pigment and alcohol ink with resin to create this formula. And I'm using the heat gun here to blow the white waves onto the green resin area. I felt like I needed a third color, so I mixed in a bit of Baja blue with forest green alcohol colors to get this dark greenish color. I then used the heat gun to blow the waves and blend the colors. And at this point in time, I blew the white resin a bit too much. And the nice waves I had disappeared, and I was struggling to get the waves back. Really, I was trying to save the art because I really loved the colors and I didn't want it to give up on it or scrap the colors. So here I'm trying several different things to improve the look of this art. Using a toothpick, using more waves, white resin. See if I could save this piece of art. So I mixed a bit more white pigment with resin to add more waves, and unfortunately my recording stopped, so you would not see me add white resin to this tray, so I really apologize for that, guys. As you can see, I've added a bit more titanium white mixed resin and used the heat gun to create the waves. It turned out really nice and had a bit of an unusual wave there. I left it as it is to dry, and later I did add in a bit of sand to the starting point of the wave to give it a shoreline. And that's what it looks like once it was dried. So let me know what you think of this tray, guys. And if you like how I created this ocean resin tray, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye for now.